Every system has doors. Some are open, some are closed, some are hidden. Hackers don't guess. They scan. Welcome to ports.
IP is a house that would exchange ports of the doors in different ways. Each number leads to a service inside where adds and protocols live and reside. 0 to 65,000 range, each one mapped for data exchange. If the port is open, something there, a service waiting exposed with care. Close means no one's answering back, filter mean blocked in a stack, but open ports where hackers see potential entry to the system key. Scan the ports, map the doors, find what's running behind the cores. Every number tells a storyline, service version design and sign. Scan the ports, that's the start. Reconnaissance, hacker art, before you exploit, for attack. Know the ports, that's the stack. Port 2021 FTP flow, file transfers moving to and fro. If misconfigured, data exposed, anonymous login, secret disclosed. Port 22 SSH secure, remote login encrypted and pure, but weak passwords can break that gate. Brute force attack, decide your fate. Port 23 telling it all, no encryption, data sold. Plain text login, easy to see, sniff the traffic, credentials free. Port 25 SMTP mail, phishing routes where scams prevail. Spam relays if misaligned, attackers abuse what admins left behind. Port 53 DNS call, translating names for systems all, but DNS leaks, poisoning play can redirect traffic another way. Port 80 ET people playing, website talking without domain and chain. Port 43 DP secure, encrypted traffic, trusted and sure. Port on hunt, turn pod 3 receive, email downloads, usability. Port on hunt 3 IMAP sync, mail across devices in a link. Port RD9 and 445 SMB share, Windows file systems everywhere, but vulnerabilities in this space can let attackers own the place. Port 389 RDP control, remote desktop taking its role. If exposed to the public side, attacker brute force till they get inside. Damn enemy ports above the line, services changing over time. Custom maps running unknown code, backdoors hidden in quiet mode. Databases listen on special gates. If exposed, attackers escalate. Every open port expands the field. Every service a potential shield or heal. Security isn't closing doors, knowing which ports should stand tall. Least exposure, minimum need, that's how defenders truly lead. Hackers don't start with exploits, they start with information. And ports are the map. Scan the ports, read the signs, understand the service lines. From SSH to web design, every port reveals the spine. Scan the ports, think before act. Recon builds a perfect attack, because a hacker who knows the doors controls what happens at the core. Every system speaks through its ports. If you learn to listen, you'll understand everything behind it.